A new superhero debuts in DC Comics. Will it join the Justice League? The publishing company is now revamping and putting together a new roster of superheroes to take the place of the old Justice League. In comic books, Dark Crisis signals the start of the Justice League's demise. DC Comics has already established a new team for the group that fights for good in this situation, led by John Kent donning the Superman cape. John Kent is the child of Lois Lane and Clark, as you may infer from his last name. The Justice League's new lineup, which includes Harley Quinn, is created from this character. DC Comics introduces a new character in this convoluted framework in order to keep putting out new comic books. His creator, Joshua Williamson, is responsible for opening up for him the amazing world of comics via his Twitter account. He goes by the name Red Canary, as you can see, and Williamson gives Dan Mora credit for helping to create the character. It was revealed in the media that the female character Red Canary is not just any character from the DC Comics canon. She also mentions admirers who have dared to divulge the identity of the person wearing the mask, even though this has not yet been established. First of all, the figure pays a passionate homage to Black Canary, Dinah Lance, as can be seen in her design. Her bad girl attire is extremely reminiscent to the black-clad counterpart of the same figure. The identity of the person hiding behind the mask is, nevertheless, the largest unanswered question. Leanne Harper, a daughter of Cheshire and Arsenal, is allegedly the one in question. The following episode of Dark Crisis, which debuts in August, will include Red Canary making her DC Comics debut. There, all doubts of any kind will be cleared. Thank you for visiting our channel about comics and pop culture. Subscribe to Uncanny Collectibles for more exclusive information, news, and scoops.